Hi, this is Natasha, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been in before. Well, makeup is a passion, and so is fashion. Today's haul is from Sephora. This is part two of a two-part series. Um, I am oh my goodness, I always forget. I am a Rouge. I think that's what it's called. I am a Rouge member on Sephora, which means I spend like $1,000 and or more on the thing. So I needed to pick up these in order to do $1,000 worth of um, items of sale in order to stay a Rouge. I've been very fortunate because I used it was I forget the name of the company that I get my gift cards through, but they allow you to buy the gift cards and say, like, for instance, you do $400 worth of gift cards. You probably put down like 20% of what the $400 is, and then you pay once a month for 6 months, and you pay it off like that. So that's usually how I get my gift cards and get the points that I need to stay Rouge. But the company, for some reason, has been down for the last 6 months, and people have been complaining because there's a lot of people that use them, and we just been told that they're trying to secure a different financial agency. So until then, they're going to be down. So now I'm just gonna have to start saving for to buy with Sephora or any place else now if I want to buy. So this next year will probably be my last year being a Rouge member. But anyways, I need to pick these up. And so I did the 20% off for this month of December. Now I did come across a glitch, and I decided at the last moment to shop because I was paying for this stuff out of my pocket, not off the company that I usually use. And so you can only use it once, not several times throughout the sale. But I came across a glitch. I only had so much more to use to buy to keep the Rouge membership. And so when I would buy it, I would go in to see how much more I needed because I was told a certain amount. And yet it keeps saying you need this much amount in order to keep it. So I went back in after using it the first time. I said, okay, well, now I know I'm going to have to pay the second time the full price. But it kept letting me use the coupon. Not once did I put the coupon code in itself, it just automatically went to the coupon code and it let me use the coupon. So I said, okay, well, I'm not going to fuss and I'm not going to boss. I'm just going to go ahead and use the coupon. So then it still said again that I still needed a certain amount. I kept thinking, how do I still need a certain amount in order to make Rouge? When I'm going over the budget as it is already, I'm buying more than what it's telling me that I need to buy just to secure the Rouge membership. So I went ahead and I did went in a third time. And once again, it clicked in with the coupon code. I said, there's got to be something wrong, but I'm not going to make a big rustle about it. I'm going to go ahead and continue to use the coupon code. And once again, the coupon code worked for the third time. Now, what I did notice was that I was making these purchases back to back in under 5 minutes. So that's probably what did it. Because it was like under 5 minutes. I think each one was like within 2 minutes of each other's. So it was under 5 minutes, basically. But anyways, what I did pick up was the Too Faced popcorn balls. See if I can, oh, there we go. And this is what I got. And these are the colors. Isn't that just so pretty? There's plastic over it. See if I can take the plastic off. This feels kind of rough. Do it again. It feels kind of rough. That's what it looks like. It's real pretty. Not that shiny though, but it's real pretty. And this is what the colors are. Alright, this is Pretty Grunge by Huda Beauty. And this is what this looks like. This woman be doing some eyeshadows and some little creations. She'll be way out there, but it all comes together in the end. And this is what this looks like. Look at that. That's pretty. Let's go to this one here. It's okay. Looks like purple. It is purple. Like a deep eggplant purple. Let's see what this one looks like. Golden. Nothing special. But these are all the colors, and I think this comes in, let me see, 18 pens in it. Very pretty colors. Very pretty colors. And this is the grunge look. So I look forward to using it. So then I got the Sephora lipstick collection. And this one is in the blue. I've been watching this for years and finally decided to pick it up since it was on the sale. And this was the 30% off. Yeah, I got it. I think once it did the 30% off, it came out to like $1.50. That's not bad. And I also picked up the Sephora eyeliner in black. And then I picked up the Sephora natural what is this? The deodorant. About to say Mom. So if you guys ever hear me say Mom, Mom was a deodorant company back in the days that we used to use back in Arizona. And so we just called it Mom. Even if you bought Secret, we still called it Mom because it meant deodorant. So if you ever hear me say Mom, I'm saying deodorant from the old days, which might date me, but that's what it was. The name of the deodorant back then was Mom. So this is natural deodorant, and it smells so good. I already opened it and smelled it. I haven't used it yet, but I'm gonna use it one day, hopefully. I keep feeling like that if I do use it, like it's not gonna actually work. That it's gonna have me smelling funky, and I'm gonna be regretting that I didn't use the ones that I usually use because Secret is my number one go to. And I'm gonna feel really embarrassed and mad that I didn't use my Secret, but it does smell good. So then I picked up the Libre Saint Yves Saint Laurent in a bigger size, and this smells good itself. It's a eau de toilette or toilette, so it's watered down basically, which I was not meaning to get, but I wanted to keep my point, so I did not send it back in. Because we're in December and it's too close to the end. So I want my Rouge status. So then I turned around and picked this up because I needed something to balance out because I use dark foundation and I needed something that was that was kind of neutral, a little bit closer to white color, so that it would so that if I needed to how would you say it if I need to take away some of the darkness of the foundation, I can use this here to do it. So I'm hoping that this will mix with the my natural foundation. So last but not least, I picked up the magnetic um eyelashes, and this is the Miami, and I bought two of them. So I like my lashes to be full. Now this is a little story. Back in the days when I first started wearing lashes, I was putting them on wrong. So I had two rows of lashes, one on my crease and one that was naturally there. So when I would blink, you would think, and no one in my family would tell me that I looked weird like that, and I didn't like it. And I kept thinking, what was I doing wrong? And then I started watching the videos, and I was like, oh, okay, I'm doing it wrong. But that's how I used to wear them at first, where I had one at the crease and one at the baseline. So now I know how to wear them. But I got both of these in Miami, and these are the magnetic eyelashes. Alright, so with that, depends on when you're watching this. You have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night, and God bless. Bye.